Welcome to Star Chat, the cosmic journey that takes you to the farthest reaches of our universe and beyond. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this intergalactic adventure. Today, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking moment in astronomy. The first look from the Vera C, Rubin Observatory. Imagine being able to witness the birth of stars, the explosion of supernovas, and the dance of galaxies in unprecedented detail. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory is poised to make this a reality with its cutting-edge technology and the world's largest digital camera. This cosmic sentinel will scan the sky every night for the next 10 years, creating an ultra-wide, ultra-high-definition time-lapse record of our universe. But what makes this project truly exciting is its potential to unlock the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, which make up a whopping 95% of our universe. As Vera Rubin, the pioneering astronomer who first shared convincing evidence for dark matter, once said, "The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space." The Legacy Survey of Space and Time, as this project is called, aims to understand the nature of these mysterious entities and create a comprehensive inventory of our solar system. With its advanced capabilities, the Rubin Observatory is expected to discover millions of new objects in our own solar system, including potentially the elusive planet 9. It will also spot supernovas just before they explode, allowing us to catch them in the act. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what secrets the universe has in store for us. So, mark your calendars for June 23rd, when the Rubin Observatory will share its first look at our universe. You can watch it live on their website, or join a watch party near you. It's going to be a cosmic event unlike any other, and we're honored to be a part of it. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on StarChat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're diving into the fascinating world of space exploration and the latest developments that are making headlines. Today, we're focusing on a story that's got the scientific community abuzz with concern. The White House has proposed a budget plan that could spell disaster for NASA's planetary science missions, including the beloved New Horizons spacecraft. For those who might not know, New Horizons made history in 2015 by becoming the first spacecraft to fly by Pluto, providing us with breathtaking images and invaluable data about the dwarf planet. The mission has been a groundbreaking success, and its continued operation has been yielding crucial insights into the outer reaches of our solar system. However, under the proposed budget plan, New Horizons, along with several other pioneering space missions, could be facing the chopping block. This has sparked widespread criticism from scientists, researchers, and space enthusiasts alike, who argue that such a move would not only be a significant setback for NASA, but also undermine America's leadership in space exploration. Dr. Alan Stern, the principal investigator of the New Horizons mission, has been vocal about his opposition to the proposed cuts, calling them a vast and tragic mistake. He believes that terminating these missions would have far-reaching consequences, not just for NASA, but for the entire scientific community and the nation as a whole. As Dr. Stern puts it, these cuts will absolutely destroy U.S. leadership in all the space sciences. The implications are indeed dire, with potential losses extending beyond the realm of scientific discovery to the erosion of America's competitive edge in the global space race. But all hope is not lost just yet. The budget plan still needs to be approved by Congress, and there's a growing movement among lawmakers, scientists, and space advocates to push back against these proposed cuts. If you're as passionate about space exploration as we are here on StarChat, you can make your voice heard by contacting your elected representatives and expressing your support for NASA's planetary science missions. The fate of New Horizons and other vital space missions hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to ensure that their groundbreaking work continues. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on StarChat. Welcome back to StarChat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's take a moment to appreciate the fascinating world of Earth's seasons. You might have wondered, why aren't the hottest days on the solstice? It seems counterintuitive that the longest day of the year, when the sun is at its highest point in the sky, wouldn't also be the hottest. But as we'll explore, there's a clever explanation for this phenomenon. The key to understanding this lies in the concept of the lag of the seasons. Essentially, it takes time for the land and oceans to warm up after the cold of winter. Think about visiting a beach in June. The ocean feels chilly, doesn't it? Or consider mountaintops still blanketed with ice and snow in June. How? The sun needs to melt that ice and warm those oceans before we feel the full brunt of summer heat. This lag is what causes the hottest days to occur after the summer solstice, typically by a month or two. By August, the ocean water has warmed up significantly, and the snow line has crept up the mountaintops. It's as if the Earth is slowly storing heat from the sun, and it takes a while for that heat to be released. Now, you might be wondering, what about the southern hemisphere? Well, the same phenomenon occurs, but with a twist. Since the June solstice marks the winter solstice in the southern hemisphere, the coldest weather comes later, in July and August. This is because the land and oceans take time to give up their stored heat. This fascinating dance between the Earth's tilt, the sun's radiation, and the thermal properties of our planet's surfaces reminds us of the intricate beauty of our climate system. So, the next time you're enjoying a warm summer day, remember that it's not just the sun's direct rays that are making it hot. It's also the slow release of heat stored in the Earth's oceans and land. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.